In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Mailerlite. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and open the dashboard. This is your main control center, and from here you can access all the tools you need to build and manage your page. Next, go to the Sites section in the left-hand menu, then open the Landing Pages tab. This is where all of your landing pages are organized. To begin creating one, click New Site or Create New Landing Page depending on which button appears in your account. Mailerlite will first ask you to name your landing page. This name is usually for internal use, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple pages. Once that's done, click Save and Continue. After that, choose the subscriber group where new signups from this page should be added. This step is important because it keeps your leads organized and makes it easier to send the right email campaigns to the right audience. When you've selected the correct group, click Continue. Now you'll choose how you want to build the page. You can build with AI, start from scratch, or select one of Mailerlite's pre-designed templates. If you want speed, a template can be a great option. If you want full control, starting from scratch may work better. Once you're inside the editor, begin customizing your landing page using the drag and drop builder. You can add and edit headings, text, images, buttons, sign-up forms, videos, testimonials, and other content blocks. This is where you shape the page around your offer, message, or goal. Make sure you add a sign-up form so visitors can submit their information, such as their name and email address. Also confirm that the form is connected to the correct subscriber group, so every new lead goes exactly where it should. From there, customize the design of the page by adjusting fonts, colors, spacing, backgrounds, and other visual settings. As you make changes, preview the page on different screen sizes to make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile. Next, open the page settings. Here you can configure the page URL or domain, upload a favicon, adjust SEO settings, set up social sharing details, and add analytics or custom code if needed. These settings help your page look more polished and perform better once it's live. Before publishing, preview and test everything carefully. Click all buttons and links and submit the sign-up form using a test email to verify that the subscriber is added to the correct group. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish. Then choose a Mailerlite domain or connect a custom domain. Once published, your landing page will have its own shareable URL. Finally, check the page's overview or analytics section to monitor visits, submissions, and other available performance data so you can track how well your landing page is working.